So what if I tell you there is a way to approximate the normal distribution using only powers and divisions? In 1995, Hasting proposed an approximation to calculate the inverse of the normal function using logarithms, a square root, and some basic operations. However, I'm interested in showing you now how to approximate any value from your standard normal table. This is an algorithm I found in the manual of a programmable calculator in 1991. By the way, I never saw it in any other book. The exciting part of this approximation is that the calculator could compute integrals with the trapezoidal rule if I enter the density function. Still, this method does not go in that direction. So let's remember the density function and the normal distribution function. Then, to approximate the values, it only uses a polynomial on top of the density function. But we need to know how to compute t and the constants. In this Hasting approximation, we need a transformation of x and 6 constants. First, the transformation we need is the following. So you can see x is transformed into t using this constant. And then we use the approximation function using the remaining 5 constants that are here. As I no longer have my calculator, I use Excel for this purpose. So I computed the values using the formulas, and I could say it has a very good accuracy with 5 digits precision regarding any normal table. Now, could you find the algorithm to approximate the inverse of the normal distribution? Thank you for watching this video.